Every morning when I get up, I always check my glad hands. Check my electrical wire. I always check all three. I always check my tires. But when you go up in them weigh station, believe me, they try anything they can to give you a citation. So I'm at the Lowe's right now, and I'm gonna get a tire changed out. And look at that tire right there. I mean, it still got rub on it. I'm seeing that guy starting to split. So it's kind of thick in the middle, if you see it's thick. But my guy ain't gonna take no chance. No, sir. I also check my pen. Just make sure I don't see nothing up under the truck where it's gonna cause me no problem, you know what I mean? Yeah. But I always check and make sure that pen in. I make sure mine in every day. I done heard of some of these guys saying they done woke up and they pen them and pull, and they pull right off in up under their truck. And what's next? Gonna be damaged. S600, Thermo King. I'm gonna do a video on that to show you how to work it, because I see a lot of newcomers coming in, they don't know how to work their temps. So one thing you don't want to do, you don't want to destroy that meat. No sir.